Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna see if toothpaste actually works to restoring your headlights. Now if you guys haven't seen a previous video showing you guys how to restore the headlights with sandpaper and clear coat, go ahead and check that out. But today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna try to see if this theory actually works. So as you guys can see, these headlights are kinda yellow and hazy. Now I'm not expecting it to make it as clear like brand new, but we're gonna see if it's able to remove some of the oxidation. Just like how when you brush your teeth, we're just gonna put some toothpaste on a toothbrush, and we're just gonna do circles. So basically what you're wanting to do is remove the oxidation, and then just as when you brush your teeth, the toothpaste helps to keep your teeth white. So we're trying to basically see if toothpaste will restore the headlights since they're yellow. Once you have done this for about 5 minutes, go ahead and get some water and wipe everything down, and we're gonna see if the toothpaste did anything to the headlight. So as we apply water to it, we're just gonna move it with a toothbrush to remove any of the toothpaste that's still on there. Alright, so we're gonna apply more water to get the remaining toothpaste off. I decided to do another pass with the toothpaste, and I also wanted to do the bottom one. After this one, we're gonna check to see if there is any difference. So we're just applying more water to the headlights to get everything off of it, and then we're going to compare to see if it made any difference in the headlight. Now that we have done 2 passes with the toothpaste, this is how the headlight came out. Now I can honestly say that it did improve the clearness of the lens, but I wouldn't say it's like a permanent solution. But for just home supplies, this is a great way to clear up the headlight a little bit. Over time, what's going to happen is the oxidation is going to come back, and it's going to eventually turn yellow again. So it's not a permanent solution to this issue, but I just wanted to test out the theory to see if toothpaste actually clears your headlights, and in my case it did. Now I'll leave you guys a before and after shot at the end of the video so you guys can see the differences of before and after the toothpaste. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.